Good morning and welcome to CBS Automotive. In this short video, what we'll be showing you is the installation that we've carried out on this Land Rover Freelander 2. What I'll be doing is just showing you a bit about how the product works, a bit about the product, and also down below I'll be popping a couple of links for the unit that we've used, as well as obviously a couple of other useful links as well. So basically what the product that we've installed here, so this system has a factory navigation system, and what we've done is integrated a reversing camera. So basically all you have to do is select reverse and you get a really clean image there. So you've got fixed guidelines as well, so really makes parking nice and easy, and obviously goes back to standard as soon as you come out of reverse. So it's a really brilliant product. This product from Nav TV. We use all their systems, and we install for a lot of the main manufacturers across Cambridgeshire, and that is the product that we use. First of all, because of quality. Second of all, because of support. Third of all, because it looks OEM, looks really smart. Gives you a really clear image. If you go for different options, you can get active guidelines as well, depending on screen. So for any reversing camera installations across the UK, please do give us a call. We're based in Cambridge, but we do offer a collection service if you would like us to work on your car. So we're a Nav TV approved installation company, so you can look us up on their website as well. So thank you very much for watching this short video, and we look forward to installing one on your car soon. Thank you.